The junkyard ain't for everybody, bro. You can see me. So you got mud all the way through. And then you got ice. So, man, it's crazy. Like, this is all ice. And then you break through. More mud. Man, look at that. Junkyard dogs. It's lit! Shout out to the homie LS Chevy Rider. I pulled up on this, man. This is a 85 Rivi. I like this one a lot more than what LS has right now. Check out the tail lights. Top on it. This thing's pimp. Sold to the junkyard. Got switches. What's that over there? That dome light's pretty cool. They got the same issue with the tax. This thing even got a sunroof. Oh man. I was trying to see if it had like a HUD release for LS. I don't see it. But I mean, it's a different year, but this thing's pretty pimp. The best feature I like about this is the grill. That would look sick on his car. I like that grill. The lights too, that's pretty neat. You got the 305/50 motor in it. Not that 3800 stuff. Carbureted. I know LS like fuel injection, so he wouldn't want this car. But this is my type of car, man. I like that. Almost look like a Regal. But yeah, shout out LS. Remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.